Hey physics. Okay, so here's the plan for this week. Let me make this a little bit bigger first while I'm thinking about it. Okay, so Monday, I'm not going to be here. I'm going to have a sub for you guys. So your job is just to keep on working on, this is both in the morning and in the afternoon, just keep on working on that project. I'm going to make a video for you to talk through some tips and tricks to use on your slideshow. And just kind of, again, just like running through like what you should be doing on that. So fourth and sixth hour, you're going to have all day Monday to work on that project, and then you will be presenting it to your groups on Wednesday. And then first and second hour, well, first hour really, you guys are going to have all day Tuesday to work on that, at least part of the day. You're going to want to do as much as you can during the async time. But yeah, if we have time to present our things to each other, we will. If we need to just take that time to work on that, that's okay too. Remember, the most important thing with that project is knowing how to do the conversions, and making that graph and having a good claim evidence reasoning about that. So you're going to want to make sure to watch my video about that so you know just what you need to be doing there. So then Thursday and Friday is the dimensional analysis test. There's going to be an ungraded review with answer key and video to go with it, so you can practice with that. You should feel pretty solid on that. Seems like you guys are feeling, for the most part, pretty confident. But yeah, a little bit more practice with that and you'll be in good shape. Then next week is the last week before spring break, and we're going to do a little mini unit about careers that you can have in physics. Okay? And when we come back from break, we're going to start a unit on forces and then get into acceleration and just do some good old classic physics stuff with that. So that's the plan. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Okay, bye. Oh yeah, another quick announcement is that if you need office hours, like if you want to get some help on this graph, or if you want to get some help on just unit conversions in general, anything, anything that you want to work on, office hours, I will be there at 10 a.m. at the school. So you can either sign up to work with me on Google Meets, or you can you can just like come into the school and we can work together on stuff. Okay? Let me know you're coming. Just send an email. That's it. See you guys soon.